Good morning, you guys. It is Thursday. 2 more days till the end of the week, and then we can see how much we've done so far. Guys, already this morning, 3 for 3 winning trades. This is absolutely insane. On the 2-minute time frame here, entry target hit, entry target hit, entry target hit. That is exactly how I'm trading. Now, I personally didn't take any of those trades. You guys know me, my sweet spot. I actually just got on here right now this morning, drew this little bit of a trend line that I'll go over here in a second, but I want to see if I can pull out a live trade here with you guys to extend this so far. Now, you guys, for this week, if we go for this week, we are looking at so far 3 winning trades, 0 losses, $800. Let's see if we can get this to 1,000 today. I would really be happy with that, but we can never just jump into something right away thinking that we know where the market is going. I am 100% technically based off every signal. Now, you guys, see how this was in the beginning here on the 2-minute time frame? This price action, the candles itself were engulfing 20 points. I want to be on the 2-minute time frame. Now, look at it right here. You see how these candles, the bodies are not engulfing. We're getting a lot of doji candles. This is where I actually want to switch to the 1-minute time frame. So 2-minute time frame, congratulations, guys. Everyone trading this with the higher volatility this morning, you just win 100% win rate. Back to 1 minute. Let's take a look here. Well, actually, everyone who's trading the 2-minute too, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. You've actually gone 4 for 4 winning trades this morning already. But what I'm looking at right now is to see if we can get a buy or sell signal based on these metrics right here. Now, what's happening? Now, I drew this trend line here. This is basically, let's go over to the 2-minute real quick. This is what I'm looking at. Pullback in an overall bull trend, right? So if we can get a pullback and then get some push further upwards, that's where I want to be look at getting to capitalize on a long position just for 5 points. Now, if we end up breaking below this, that's why I want to be looking to potentially do a short. But until any of that happens, I don't take a trade. Guys, I am not going to force anything. I'm just going to be taking buy and sell signals. Now, yesterday, if you saw the video I did yesterday, I didn't take a signal. I actually did something called triple G's and triple R's that I use with my method. Now, this is actually something really cool that you can use to be able to sometimes get into trades a little bit earlier. So guys, take a look at this. This is something where you can use this, where this was the entry. Yes, it won. Awesome. If you have candles like this, where you're coming back and your background is green, your profit wave is green, and the first bullish Hiekin Ashi candle, this can technically be another entry to pull out another 5 points or 10 points, depending on the time frame you're on. So now I have traders. Yesterday, there was 9 opportunities. There was actually 13 opportunities of winning trades just yesterday that I was able to spot out and go over with my one-on-one trainings to be able to say, if you do this little adjustment to your trading, this is how much you can make even in addition. So guys, this is absolutely incredible where all this is going so far. As this looks like it might take a second or so to populate something here. I'm going to go over just to my future success real quick. Guys, this is where you can grab every single one of the metrics that I use every morning to post my personal live trading videos for educational purposes, and you guys can literally mimic exactly what I'm trying to do right here. This is lifetime access, never any monthly service fees. Guys, honestly, I don't believe in that. 50% off one-on-one trainings. Please get in contact with me for this. So far, we have had 82, with over 85 star reviews on here. Let's go ahead and actually update this for you guys. 1894. Let's go and go back here and see if we broke that 19 mark, 1912. So congratulations to everyone who's joined just in the past day or so. Let's see this comment here. I failed prop firm challenges over and over, ready to give it a try. Take one last shot with Justin. And daily winning has been very profitable and consistent. I can see a bright trading future ahead of me. Awesome. Pamela, thank you so much. That is an amazing comment. I wish all the best success to you. I think the one right below this was actually, yeah, take a look at this. End up passing 2 trading accounts just using these metrics alone. Guys, if you're using prop firm accounts, I would highly suggest take a look at Take Profit Trader. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's who I use. I've had such an amazing experience with them. Payouts, I can literally do a payout right now and it comes to my bank account in a half an hour. I've never experienced something like that before. I've done 9 payouts through them so far, and every single one of them have hit immediately. So I also have a link to that if you guys want to. They currently have, I think it's 40% off all of their accounts, and you never pay an activation fee. So I can't believe they're actually even doing this deal right now because it's so good. But hey, take it. You might as well. But guys, let's just head back to the charts here and just see exactly what's going on. This is just consolidating. You guys, there's nothing truly going on right now at all. Like seriously, like there's nothing in my mind that would say force something or even go into anything. Now, I don't like the idea of switching back and forth on the 1 and 2 minute time frame. Right now, if you're doing this right now and when this video gets posted, if you are looking at the 2 minute time frame right now, it's the wrong time frame to trade on. You need to be on the 1 minute time frame because we're not engulfing 20 points. But I want to go to the 2 minute to just see where is price action heading. So we're at the top of this profit wave, which is totally okay. Can this push higher? Absolutely, guys. There's not a resistance on this thing for the sky. Like this could just keep rocketing more and more up. So there's no reason why this can't just flip here and go to a green background, buy signal, and just scalp out 5 points here. Because what we're looking at is a 20-point movement over here, and these candles are not engulfing it. So 1 minute time frame here. Again, 3 for 3 trades already this morning, and all we need to do is just see about pulling out one little trade here to see if we can just pull this out, $200, and get that account balance to deflect everything today. This is the patience game. Sometimes it's like, how long do you have to actually wait for a trade to get in? And sometimes it's a little bit longer. I'm doing this video now for 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Guys, this is the entire time I've been on my computer. I literally upload these screens, I click record, and I come on here right away. So sometimes videos, my trades last 6 seconds and I'm in and out. Other ones, like this one, it's going to last a little bit longer. Technical analysis, all of it. You're seeing exactly what I'm seeing right now. Another question for you guys I keep answering, I'll try to keep going over it, is how do I actually trade like this? This is actually two separate screens. This is Tradingview, and then this is Tradovate. So all I do is I just eliminate the DOM over here, and I minimize that screen, and then I have Tradingview to the left-hand side over here, and that is exactly how I personally trade. I feel like I'm getting the best of both worlds. Metrics on one side, DOM on the other side. Right when I get a buy or sell signal, right at the end of candle close, I'll literally count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right at 1, I'll either click buy market or sell market. It automatically fills me here. Down at the bottom on the DOM, click the settings, and this is where on the 1 minute time frame, if this setting here is 20, this is what I want to be 20. If I'm trading the 2 minute time frame, I'm going to change this to 40, and I'm going to change this to 40. That's all I'm doing, guys. So right now we're on the 1 minute time frame. Let's go to 20 and 20. So go and save that. Go and save that. So now whatever direction I do, with one click of a button, it's automatically going to close me out if the target's hit in 5 points, either going up or going down. Price action still just not doing anything. Just going sideways. This is the sideways movement that is just sometimes, honestly, it's kind of frustrating sometimes. It's like you want to just get on and just make a quick little trade. But guys, I am one of those traders where, gosh, if nothing just goes on, sometimes you just don't trade. It's like, it's okay. There hasn't been too many days that I haven't traded, to be completely honest with you. And I'm looking at this right now and being like, there just might not be a setup this morning, and I may not be able to take a trade. Because if nothing is showing on the chart, I'd rather show you guys really good risk management and just not take a trade. Unless this pushes down really far to like the bottom side here, which looks like it might be able to, or it comes back up and pushes higher, I just don't really want to force anything. So I'll stay on here with you guys a little bit longer here, about 8 minutes and 40 seconds. This video's been running so far. Definitely one of my longer videos. So sorry, you guys, it hasn't been a quick in and out this morning, but hey, that's trading. That is absolutely trading. Don't force it. Let the market come to you and capitalize on those positions when you get them in and out super quick. What I may end up doing as well, for all of you guys who like the shorter videos, if I end up getting into a trade here, I'll post the video later on today, more of education that's going to be closer to the buy or sell signal if I end up taking a trade here, so you can kind of skip the intro to all this. But of course, a lot of good information that I try to give to you guys every time I get on here every morning, showing my personal accounts. Guys, this is a nice little drop here. I like this. This is really good. We actually might end up getting a sell signal here in a second. I wouldn't be surprised if actually this candle or the next one starts printing a signal for a sell. We'll see it come up top here, and then we'll just need to take out 5 points, and that will be a closed out trade for the day. Now, I guess you could say, is this a triple R where you have a red background a price action below the red band and a bear Hiekin Ashi candle. Kind of, honestly, guys, what I like is I like for my background to switch over from one color to another and then take that first entry. You notice how here this was green and then red. Was this all red here? No. So you don't take this as anything short. You just stay going long. So kind of default to your profit wave more than anything. But look at it as this as like the background is number 1, profit wave is 2, candles number 3. So kind of working that way. Well, no sell signal here. That's okay. I do like how these are both bearish candles here, which is really nice. This one right here is actually still a bearish candle. Guys, what I'm referring to for bearish candles, if you guys are new to this channel or more of a beginner-friendly trader, by the way, these metrics, gosh, if you guys are just looking to get into the market, these are probably the easiest beginner-friendly metrics that I've ever seen. And I say that because my name is actually Justin. If you guys don't know, I'm actually the founder of these metrics. And I said, hey, if I can't have the 5-year-old Justin learn these metrics, then I'm not doing any justice to myself or you guys at all. Does that mean that it's going to be accurate all the time? No, there obviously is a percentage that anything is going to lose. And yes, I do lose trades, but I'm showing you guys so far on the counts over here. So far, I've had a really good win rate going since October 14th. And just want to see if we can keep pulling that out further and further. Well, no setups here. Nothing yet. Honestly, this would actually probably take a couple more minutes for this to switch over, going to a green background instead of red. And that is when I would have to look at getting into a new spot. It's a nice little push up here, though. Nice little push. That's great. Price action's probably all the way up over here on our DOM. Yeah. Level of resistance. So this is where I'm saying if you end up getting a buy signal and you end up getting something like this and it's slamming into a level of resistance, not a bad idea just to hold off on that trade. If we push above and then we get a buy signal and price action's already above, that's okay. I wouldn't worry about that at all. You're going to be totally okay. But this is nice. This is actually really nice. You guys see we're making a higher low? There you go. 6, 5. You guys, this is a great example. You know what? Following my rules exactly. 3, 2, 1. What are we doing? We're slamming right into a level of resistance. This is a trade that I would not personally take. I got to be completely honest with you guys. This is where when you slam into levels of resistance like this, it doesn't happen very often. Honestly, guys, maybe 5% of the time. Could this still work out and push above? Yes, 100%. For me, I would rather wait for this to push above and then get into an entry instead of trying to force something on a level of resistance. So I'm actually going to hold off on this one. I want to see where this candle actually closes and see if on the next one this actually drops back down a bit just to confirm the overall technical analysis here that this is either a good or invalid trade. And it might hit. And if it hits, everyone who took the signal and it populates up just won another trade. But this is exactly what I went over on my one-on-one trainings yesterday with everyone on this, specifically just this alone. If you get price action like this, I like to just personally hold off and see what happens to see if we get a pullback first, and then we can kind of go in afterwards and then capitalize on that trade. 13 minutes and 40 seconds so far this morning doing this video. This is absolutely the longest trade video that I've done so far. It's probably going to suck with the YouTube algorithms, but hey, it's okay. I'd rather do education here for you guys. By the way, when you guys get up, get some coffee, get some tea, just relax. You know, trading shouldn't be a very stressful thing at all. If it is stressful, a little bit of education, you're either trading with too many contracts, too much money, and it means you're leveraged too high. I am never at the mindset of if I lose a trade, then it's going to blow everything in one trade. Never. So I'd rather be the person where it's like I can have 10 losing trades and my account balance is still going to be alive. That's why I try to teach on here 5 points, 10 points. Literally just fall in love with 10 points a day and it's going to be absolutely incredible. You guys see how this signal right here specifically, and I'm so glad I did this video so you guys can see this and me not even taking the trade. So it's not like, Justin, why didn't you take that trade? You would have taken all these other ones here. I'm following rules. I'm following rules that I've set out myself and that I'm teaching. If at any point you have those signals slamming into a level of resistance, I just personally don't take it. Now, if this switches back over and this goes to red and we get a sell signal, Sure, I'll take a sell signal because guess what? There's no level of support, strong support, that has been enabled just here recently. So if we end up getting a sell signal here, that is going to be totally fine. And I would love to get out just 5 points this morning and capitalize on that. What do you got here? 11 seconds left. Background still green with a red candle. So invalid setup. There is nothing there at all that I like. Until I literally have it. Guys, think if you're at like a stoplight, you know? If you're at a stoplight and the light's green, are you just going to stay there and have everyone hit you from behind? Or if it's red, are you just going to blow through the red light? No, you know, it's kind of same thing with that. You know, if you're green and green, that's where we're just going to be going long. Take a look down here. Money momentum. This is still all green. So green, 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 all the way up. That's where you're going long. All green, go long. Was this red? Background was red, but not the actual candles. So this is invalid. This is where you don't trade. This is where you would get in. So a couple times already. If you were to do something here, just as simple, you guys take a look at this. This is going to be crazy. Triple R's. When did this switch over? Right here, background, 26 points. Where's the next one? First one, switch over. This is where I'm telling you guys, honestly, just take out the 5 points. But worst case scenario, you're still basically break even or just one. So there are some traders that I'm working with that literally you could go like this and trade your charts down, up, and that's where a lot of price action will actually go as well. So up, consolidation down, and then kind of coming back up. So a little bit of a education there for you guys as well. This is not doing anything fun here at all. Guys, I'm sorry the video is so long. 16 minutes and 50 seconds, almost 17 minutes. And if there isn't a trade this morning, you know, it's okay. It's totally okay. Awkward silence. Don't you love those? 17:12 so far with this video. Guys, there is nothing going on. You know what? I actually may just end up kind of calling it a morning here just to show you guys good risk management and a trade morning that just didn't work out so far. Again, I am of the mindset of you don't have to trade every morning if there isn't a quality setup. If I was on here earlier, dang, 100% win rate up to this point, and then not taking this one, following that rule specifically, everyone's still 100%. So if you guys are new to this channel, please take a second. You guys reach out to me anytime by email as well. I'll get back to you exactly within that same day, probably within minutes, because I'm always on my phone and looking to help you guys as much as possible. But this is the look so far. So far this morning, very, very good. Winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, and we held off on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning trades here on the 1 minute time frame. And let's go to the 2 minute time frame over here. This was a great one this morning. Gosh, anyone who did this, 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30 points, just like that. And then you get all this junk consolidation. And it's okay. We don't trade with junk. We trade with quality. And that is how already this morning, following these rules, if you didn't go 100% win rate and you started trading around this 5 a.m. time and you're currently here, so all my Eastern folks, gals and girls, if you are trading this time, you had an amazing success. Because I actually have people that I train in over 34 countries. So the time frame is all over the place. So these are metrics that can be used any time of the market. The New York session, yes, is the most volatile and at most liquidity. So yes, you're going to get the movements much better. If you're trading outside the New York session, all I suggest is take your take profit length and just divide it by 2 so you can hit your targets quicker. But besides that, guys, I honestly might have to just call it a day here, and because there's nothing setting up. Let's take a look at this again. If we go back to a custom range of when I started this, I did this yesterday, but October 14th is when I started this. And if we go to go, so far 20 winning trades, 0 losses, $6,400. That has been the win rate that I have done since the 14th of October. So almost coming up on a month here, but 20 wins, 0 losses, just following these metrics alone. All right, guys, I'm going to call it 20 minutes here making the video. Sorry this is so long, but sometimes there just isn't a setup. And if there isn't a setup, don't force it. Go out, have some fun. Everyone who took these signals in the beginning, congratulations. You just made freaking bank. I might have to get up earlier. Just kidding. I'm not going to get up earlier. I have the little one sleeping on me all night. last night. So didn't get too many Z's last night. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to call it like that. Have a blessed rest of your day. Anyone who ends up taking trades after this, or if you've taken any of these trades this morning that I wasn't able to get, please leave in the comments to say, hey, made some money. But guys, I'm going to keep it real with you. Not trade today. No quality setups. And I'm going to leave you with that. Thank you guys. Love you all. God bless.